Hey guys, it's the Keto King here, and do I have an exciting announcement for you guys? Well, the announcement comes in with this little package here, and I'm going to open this for you guys on camera. So if you see, this package is from Redbubble. Now if you haven't heard of Redbubble before, they do clothing and all other types of branded merchandise. And yep, you guessed it, I am going to be selling some Keto King clothing primarily, but a few other awesome little goodies there through Redbubble. Now I'll put a link to where you can find my store on Redbubble. It's redbubble.com/people/the Keto King. It's on the screen now. Put a link to that website in the description box below so you can go and check that out. So I've started my store with a few designs that I put up on there. One of them being the Keto King logo, as you've seen on this shirt here. A similar shirt to this. I've done another couple other ones saying keep it keto, another one saying team low carb. So those are the types of designs I've got going. We're mainly focusing on clothing at the moment. There's some mugs and some stickers too if you're into that. But I'd love to get your guys' input on what you'd like to see in that store. But what we're gonna do is open this package where I've ordered 3 of the t-shirts from the store. I'm gonna share this with you and let you in on the first glimpse of the Keto King clothing. Alright, now this is amazing. This is 3 shirts in here. Came in this tiny little package, which is quite amazing. Well, here come the shirts. Really nicely packaged. We have a Redbubble sticker here. And what I like about this is now you don't have this huge tag that sticks on the back of the shirt. You know, it's hanging on either on the side of the shirt or right at the neck of the shirt. They put the tag on with this handy little peg here. So all you do is you take off the tag, and this comes right off immediately. This is really cute, and it's a functional way to remove these tags, no cutting them with scissors. So let's see what we've got here. So then these are the 3 shirts that I ordered. This is the regular t-shirt. It's got the logo Keep It Keto with the small Keto King logo on the eye there. Next is the same regular t-shirt. This is in black with the logo Keto King. Now don't forget, if you see this on the website and it's in a color that you don't like, you see the picture is in a pink shirt but you want a black shirt, just know that you can select whatever color you want. You can make it in black, white, green, blue. It's up to you to choose, so don't put off by the thumbnail and the color of the actual shirt in that thumbnail. So this is the Keto King logo, similar to this white shirt here, but it's in black. You could get it in white if you liked. And then we've got this one saying got ketones on, again Keto King logo on the question mark there. And this is in the tri-blend shirt. It's a slightly softer feeling shirt, and it's also got a bit of a textured pattern to it as well. Again, comes in any color you want. There are other shirts, ones that say team low carb. There's some mugs, some stickers, but you guys can go check that out at my store on the Redbubble website. But let's try these on quickly and see how they look. Alright, so this is shirt number 1. So it's the Got Ketones shirt. Now it's a really nicely fitted shirt, slightly tighter around the upper chest here. Really nice around the biceps. This is a good fitting shirt. It fits true to size. I take a small, I'm not the biggest guy around. I take a small on all my other clothing. This is a small and it fits me absolutely perfectly. Also, in choosing on what store to go with, Redbubble's reviews on their customer service is amazing. They sort you out if you get the sizes wrong. They sort you out if there's any shipping problems. They also guarantee that there won't be any duty charged at the border when it's sent. So those are all the types of things that factored into me choosing Redbubble to go with my store. So this shirt I really like. This is the tri-blend again. Feels great on your body. I think it fits you really nicely. Okay, let's do the next one. And now this is the Keto King logo on the unisex shirt. Now I called it the regular shirt earlier, but this is the unisex shirt, so for guys and for girls. If I would say anything, I'd say this is slightly less fitting or fitted than the tri-blend shirt I just tried on. But again, it is still pretty form-fitted. This is a small. I wear a small normally, so it is true to form. Just order exactly what you would normally order in a store. Really nice. I'm thoroughly impressed with the quality of the shirt. Alright, let's try on number 3. And then lastly, we've got the Keep It Keto, also in the unisex t-shirt, in white this time. Obviously you can see the fold lines as well, but I'm sure you can get the idea. Really nicely fitted shirt as well, ripping out that keto lifestyle to everyone. So that's the 3 shirts I've got here, hoping to just give you guys a bit of a taste of what the shirts actually look like in real life and not just looking at them at a website. But I have some work and some questions for you guys. 1, go take a look at this store, redbubble.com/people/the Keto King. Check out my store there. Let me know what you think about all the different items that are available in my store. Currently it's mainly just shirts, there's a mug, there's a travel mug, and then there's some stickers. However, I do have the option of adding a number of different items. There's things like scarves, skirts, cell phone cases, laptop cases, pillowcases, really. There's a ton of options that I could do. So if you think you guys would be interested in any of those additional items with these logos or brands on or wording on, then please let me know in the comment section below. I can absolutely hook that up for you. Number 2, if there's anything else you would want or you think should be on a shirt, maybe give me another slogan we can put on a shirt. Maybe you want to see the same slogans or the Keto King logo but just in a slightly different design. Let me know in the comment section below. I want some feedback from you guys. I would love to hear from you on this. And then lastly, if you guys do get anything from my store, I'm obviously exceptionally grateful for that. But please also tag me in it on Instagram. It's at @the_keto_king. I'll put that handle on the screen now and also in the description box below. Tag me in that with you guys repping your Keto King apparel. That would be awesome to see. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you love this store and all the items I have available for you in there. Like this video if you're thrilled about my store. And of course, keep it keto.